In this video, we're diving into the hidden dangers of algae and bacteria in your water tank. How you can clean and maintain water tank. Mold thrives in dark, damp conditions like water tanks. While these tanks are great for storing water, they also become breeding grounds for algae and mold when not properly maintained. The risks are clear: bacteria and algae compromise the quality of your water, damage the tank itself, even trigger health problems like allergies, skin, and respiratory issues. Fortunately, you don't need harsh chemicals to clean it up. Meet Solutions HOCl Water Tank Cleaner Cistern Bomb. To maintain your water's freshness, use Cistern Catchment Bomb Water Tank Cleaner monthly. Solutions HOCl offers a range of effective environmentally friendly products that make cleaning simple and safe. Keeping your cistern tank mold-free is essential to maintaining clean, healthy water for your home. Ready to clean your tank the right way? Check out solutionshocl.com for all the cleaning solutions you need.